friends, it's Lisa, and today I have found 12 different pinholes on the Miniverse Harry Potter Potions labels. Let's see if we found the full set. This has been a very popular collection for both miniature lovers and Harry Potter fans. The idea and the design of this collection is really special, just outstanding. At the MGA factory, they will sometimes place pinholes on the labels so they can identify what's inside each ball when packing cases for shipment. This isn't always true, but I believe it is for this series based on tips some Miniverse collectors have shared online. Also, check the label to see which wave of releases you have. The first wave of the potions was marked INT0, and I have labels from later releases such as INT2 and INT3 in this group as well. This is important because the later waves sometimes have different pinholes. This video is to show what I found, but there are no guarantees you might have different results. Let's see if we can find our first pinhole. Now when you look carefully, you can see it at the top left just over the cauldron. And hey, if you get this all off in one zip, as I always say, you get to make a wish. Here's the kit. And the container for this set is really cool. It has the Hogwarts logo, and then there's a table inside that snaps together so that you have a little place to put your potion. The bottom of the container has the Miniverse logo, and it has 3 little slots where the 3 legs of the table fit in. Now, what I have found is it's easier to put the base of the table in the bottom first, then put the top of the table on and snap it all together. Now in each kit, you get this beautiful little blue bag. You know, I love the bags and all of the graphics with this set. This bag reads Tincture number 3, Draught of Peace. And this will be the same in all of the kits. Inside that little blue bag, you're gonna get a cork stopper. It's plastic, but it looks like cork. This is the top of the container, and an extra little funnel for you to use for your potions. You snap this portion onto the container, add your cork to the very top, and then when you snap the top of the lid and the bottom of the lid, you get a little potions bottle so that you can display your finished creation. Also inside each kit, you're going to get a little cauldron of resin. And this is what you'll use to make your potion with. I always take off the hazard label since I'm an adult collector. And I have to show you this amazing wrapping paper that goes around the cauldrons. It's the list that Hogwarts would give to all first years. It shows you your uniform, your book list, all the equipment that you're going to need your first year at Hogwarts. Isn't that darling? The graphics are just amazing. And this is a pretty good sized piece of paper, so we know we're going to be keeping those. Here's the potions book. On one side of the book, it's going to show you which potion you're getting. This is the dragon blood. It also gives you all the steps that you need to take in order so that you can make your potions. But when you flip it over, you get a list of all 15. There are 12 regular potions and 3 rares. Can you guess what the rares are based on those pictures? The other thing you'll find in every kit is a red bag, and this is going to include any utensils you might need for stirring or mixing. It says, note, this is extremely dangerous potion. This potion isn't supposed to be used for transforming humans into animals. In nearly every red bag, you're going to get one of these spoons, usually either gold or silver. Some of the kits also have tongs and some other things, and you'll see those as we go along. The other thing that you'll find in each kit is a label for the potion, and each label is different, so I'll show you every one of those as we open the kits. In almost every kit, you'll find an extra Hogwarts school list that's wrapped around different pieces that belong to the kit. Now in the dragon's blood here, we have a little 3-legged stand. It's supposed to look like cast iron. This one has kind of a gold sheen to it, and this one has a little crucible or a melting pot with a lid. Also in every bag, you get a potions bag. This one says Amortensia, Polyjuice, Veritaserum. Inside each one of these bags is going to be the potions themselves, the mica powder or the bits and pieces that you're going to add to your potions bottle to actually make your creation. This one has mica powder in gold and kind of a pinky red. Then in the green bag says 1 wand, 1 cauldron, pewter, standard size 2, and 1 set of glass or crystal vials. Now this is like PHIALS, which is kind of funny. But inside these green bags are the bottles themselves. And the dragon blood bottles are so terrific. There's 2 of them. They're footed vials with these pointy caps that come off. And they're 2 different sizes, so they're very unique. So here's a look at everything that will come inside your dragon blood kit. Now in this next one, I apologize ahead of time. My camera was off when I unwrapped it, but this one had the pinhole to the top left of the square that has the 2 potion bottles on it. And when we open up our instructions, it is the infusion of wormwood. Inside the school list is a 3-legged cast iron stand and another crucible. Oh, sorry about the top. Here's the label, and it has some pretty cool twine that's going to go around the top portion of the bottle. Inside the potions bag, we have 2 potions, a beautiful light lavender color, and then these real funky, rocky, grainy, weird sort of creations. In the green bag, we have another 3-legged stand, and here's the bottle. And very cute. It has a real cork top, and it sits nicely on its little stand. Here's everything you'll get in the Infusion of Wormwood collection. The next label has the pinhole to the left and bottom of the cauldron on the label. Oh, well, I guess no wish on this ball. Here's everything that's inside, and the brochure tells you it is Murtlap essence. Murtlap is a pure creation by J.K. Rowling. Inside the school list, we get a wood crate with a metal handle. Here is the potion label for the Murtlap, and this kit has a pair of tongs and a gold ladle. Inside the potions bag, that's a beautiful shiny purple, and then these weird black little string things. I guess those are supposed to be part of the sea anemone spines or something. And in the green bag, here's your vial for your Murtlap. The lid does come off, and it's quite a tall vial, I must say. And here's a look at everything that comes inside the Murtlap ball. On this label, we are looking at a pinhole on the right bottom section near those 2 potion bottles. And our instruction book tells us this is wolfsbane. Wolfsbane is a real plant, and it's really poisonous. Here's the label and the cord for this potion. And we also get another 3-legged stand and another crucible. In the potions bag, there are 2 jars. There's a beautiful blue mica powder, and the white sticks or bones that are in that jar, that's going to be really a neat additive to put inside a potion bottle. Here's our potions bottle, and it has a real cork lid. And here's everything that you will get in your wolfsbane kit. Here's our next pinhole. It is to the bottom left of the crate that's on the label. Let's see if this one will unzip all the way. These are usually kind of hard on the inner label. Oh, I got one. All right. Wish for me. The instructions say that this is hellebore syrup. Here's the label and the cord. And look at this. It has a cute little key hanging from it. Okay, that's really cute. Here's another wooden metal crate. 2 compartments inside the school list. And the potions bag, it has kind of a blue mica powder, but inside this little vial is chips almost that do have kind of a look of a flower petal to them or something, like a hellebore petal. In this kit, you get tongs and silver ladle. And here is our bottle. Pretty top. Oh, well, good thing these aren't glass, aren't they? Well, anyway, it's a very pretty top, very, very pretty little bottle. Here's everything you need to make hellebore syrup. Okay, I see a pinhole here by the crate top right. And let's unzip this sucker all the way down and get our wish. Pop open that case. And here's Polyjuice Potion. Ooh, there's some floaties in there too. Tag and cord. Okay, we get a little cord to wrap around the top of the bottle. Yet another wooden and metal case. This comes with just a silver ladle. And inside the potions bag, look at these additives. There's like these weird spiky balls in 2 different colors. And then there's this purple grassy kind of stuff. Almost looks like threads. They have a little bit of a sheen to them. Well, that ought to be fun. Inside the green bag, you get a stand for your bottle and then a nice round bottle with a real cork top. Here's all you get inside the ball for the Polyjuice Potion. Okay, on the next ball, I see the pinhole very clearly next to the ladle to the bottom right. And this one will be for armadillo bile. Now, my question is, if it's about an armadillo, why is there a snake on the bottle? Oh, here's something different. Inside the school list is a gold mortar and pestle. There's a paper label for the potion, a silver spoon, And this potion bag contains something really cool. It's a wood stand with 2 compartments, and these tall, thin bottles fit in perfectly. Okay, you know I don't like snakes, but even I have to admit this is a pretty cool bottle. But I still don't understand why this says anything to do with an armadillo. Here's everything you need to make armadillo bile. Next up, we've got a pinhole at the top right of the ladle on the label. This one just happens to be Felix Felicis. I hope I'm saying that right. Okay, this has a pretty gold cord that's going to go around the top of the bottle and the label. Inside, oh, this is cute. Okay, we get the gold mortar and the pestle again, but check this out. There is a teeny tiny drippy candle in a candle holder that is darling, and it is so tiny. Inside the potions bag, there are 2 vials, one with gold strings or threads, and then the pretty white silvery balls. That's what the mortar and pestle's for again. And this is an awesome bottle. I love not only the shape of the bottle, but the stand. Look at the detail. They have little rivets and bolts, and it's a wooden stand with gold accents. Now, come on, that is just amazing. This is a good one. This is the entire kit for Felix Felicis. This pinhole is found to the top left of the crate on the label. It's going to be hard to top that last one. Let's see what's coming up next. And here we have Skele-Gro. Okay, don't look, it'll spoil the surprise. In the school list label, we have not only the 3-legged cauldron stand and the little crucible melting pot, we have 2 candles. And these are too precious. I had to set up the little table to show you. There's 2 of them. They're different sizes. One's taller than the other. And then the 2 little candles. How great is that going to be in any Harry Potter display that you do? So, okay. Well, you get the idea. In the potions bag is a vial with tiny little green pellets. And can I just say, I love that they put the Hogwarts label on some of these teeny tiny little vials. There's also some white iridescent powder in another vial. You get a gold ladle in this kit. And the part we're all excited about, I can't wait to see this bottle. Wow, look at how, first of all, it's huge. Second of all, look at the detail, the fingers and the ribs. And is it me or does it look like he's smiling at us with a gold rim? This is a terrific kit. This is everything you're gonna get to make Skele-Gro. The next pinhole is at the bottom right corner of the crate. So have any of the kits become your favorites yet? Which one do you like the best? Be sure and leave me a comment. I don't think I can pick a favorite. I think I'll have like a top 5 out of this collection. Amortentia! Now you know I'm a girly girl, and so I love the pink tassel. I love the gold cord. Inside the school list, we get a 3-legged cauldron and a crucible melting pot. And look inside the potions bag, there is a round vial full of heart-shaped pink iridescent flakes. Those are going to float around inside the potion bottle. There's also some white iridescent powder in another vial. And look at this beautiful little heart-shaped bottle. Oh my gosh. This is Amortentia. Okay, the next one has the pinhole at the top of the 2 vials on the label. Flesh-eating slug repellent. Inside the potions bag is a small round vial of green moss. And here are your slugs. They're 2 different colors. There's like a brown and an orange. Here is the bottle, and this one's special. It actually has the Hogwarts logo on the bottle and a real cork for the top. Inside the school list, you get another crate, and this one has a gold ladle included. So here's everything you're going to need to make your slug repellent. On the next label, I found the pinhole, and this one was really hard to find. You have to really look carefully, but there it is on the corner, the bottom left of that little potions bottle. Luckily, the wrapper was easier to open than the pinhole was to spot. And this one is leech juice. I see a spider. And there it is. It's on the fiber. Look at the multicolor fibers that you get to put. And the spider is like a purple. Oh, yay! Inside the school list are 2 more candles. I can't get enough of those candles. And inside the potions bag is another one of those cool holders with 2 vials of different kinds of mica powder. I love that bright green. That's going to be really cool. And here's the bottle for our leech juice. It has a little cauldron type stand and kind of a V-shaped bottle with a real cork top. Let me see if I can pick this up to show it to you. And gosh, you know what? I'm dropping everything today. Let's do it like this. And now here's everything you'll need to make leech juice. The 12 different pinholes I was able to find did indeed correlate to 12 different Harry Potter potions. Oh, and by the way, I did find the 3 rare potion sets. So be sure to subscribe to my channel because I will discuss those in my next video. I've made a chart that shows the location of the 12 pinholes. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot so that you can refer back to this when looking for a particular potion in the set. I can't guarantee that you'll have the same results that I did using this chart as a guide, but other online sources have similar information, and I found Miniverse to be fairly consistent in this regard. My top 5 favorites out of the 12 potions are Dragon's Blood, Felix Felicis, Skelegro, I just love those 2 tiny candles, Amortentia, and the flesh-eating slug repellent, believe it or not. So which one are you the most excited to make? Please leave me a comment below. And if this video was helpful to you, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button. Remember to subscribe so that you can see the video on the 3 Harry Potter rare potions. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.